IBM has taken an worldwide initiative to address a major shift in world's data flow. With an investment of $2 billion and 2,500 IBM researchers and developers all around the world, including India, the major areas which will be the part of consideration of the IBM initiative would be internet scale availability, data security, and the retention, the consolidation of the information infrastructure services. Now, there are more than 30 infrastructure information technologies have been introduced in this initiative, and this will take more than 3 years to implement the services and the technologies. And they are expecting by 2011 this would be done, and IBM will be in much better position with this research and development initiative.
IBM, in its constant effort to overtake the information infrastructure business from its competitors, has now come up with an initiative to address a major shift in the world's data flow. The Big Blue has taken up this initiative with an investment of $2 billion over 3 years. It included 2,500 IBM researchers and developers from 9 countries including India. The 3 major areas that IBM is concentrating on are internet scale availability, consolidation, and retention of information infrastructure and security. Shashi B. Mal, the Systems and Technology Group Director of IBM India Asia Pacific, said that unlike HP, EMC and Sun, IBM is the only company in the world with decades of research, industry knowledge, market leadership, and the end-to-end capabilities to make this a reality for their clients. Shailesh Agarwal, the IBM India South Asia Vice President of Systems and Technology Group.
What we are launching today is basically a total solution portfolio on storage infrastructure. We have acquired a set of companies. We had brought out huge number of products from our research and development, and today what we are just putting them together into a complete picture which provides an integrated solution approach on storage.
On its competitors, Agarwal claimed that only IBM had a complete portfolio across the storage range.
When you go at component level, yes you can. When you go to enterprise storage, yes you say it is EMC and Hitachi. Okay, when you go to mid-range storage, you say yes, it is HP and HP and Sun. When you go into software, yes, you take CA and Veritas. Okay, CA, Veritas, and Legato. So there are different companies which are in different aspects, and we do not think the customer increasing requirement component-based approach, but we are focusing more on the solution-based approach. Yeah, but there are different competitors in the different markets, and all of them are good competitors in that particular space.
On the economic slowdown scenario, Agarwal said that nothing has affected IBM India yet.
We have not started seeing any effects of the economic downturns in the domestic business. While we see some of the customer exercising caution, which is only right in terms of the global economic climate, we see a certain amount of caution in terms of the customers. Frankly, when it comes to the sales professional norm, I do not think there is any supply glut. I mean, and sometimes we are choosy also. I mean, the type of salespeople that we want to have.